Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by readying both devices. Charge the Airpods case above 20% and open the lid. That wakes pairing mode. On the Fold 3, go to Settings, then Connections, then Bluetooth, and turn Bluetooth on. Keep the phone unfolded and the screen unlocked so pairing prompts appear quickly. Once done, hold the Airpods case close to the phone. This immediate proximity helps the Fold detect the Bluetooth beacon and speeds up the next discovery step. You should see an AirPods pop-up card or the name in the Bluetooth device list. Tap it to start pairing. If nothing appears, tap Scan or Add New Device in the Bluetooth menu and wait 10 to 20 seconds. Bluetooth discovery can lag. Select your AirPods name when visible, then accept any pairing dialogues or permission prompts. This lets audio routing and phone controls work. Make sure to keep the case open and do not move the devices until the confirmation appears. Once paired, verify sound output by opening Quick Settings, tapping Media Output, and selecting the AirPods so calls and media route correctly. If pairing fails, reset the AirPods by holding the case button until the LED first flashes amber and then white. This clears previous pairings. Make sure to also toggle Bluetooth off and on or choose Forget on the Fold 3 for old entries before retrying. These steps remove caches that commonly block.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.